What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are installing NSL Performance LED tail lights on my 84 Wide Body Fiero. I'm editing the video right now, it's Sunday evening, and realized I didn't film an intro, so we're going to start this off showing what the factory tail lights look like, and then we're going to go into installing the NSL Performance kit and then installing them on the car, and we will see what they look like. So let's get to it. So this is what the tail lights look like now. They have LED bulbs in them, but the new ones should be brighter. So let's take these off the car and take them inside to let them warm up, and then we will start installing the LED kit. So to get the taillights off, you pry these things off. A couple of them are missing. Then these are Phillips screws. You take those out, and then the headlight just slides out. So I'm gonna do that now. So we are back. It's been a day. Taillights are nice and warmed up. We're in the house. So this is the taillight kit, the LED kit from NSL Performance. I have yet to open this box, so I don't know what to expect. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. Maybe. It's packaged well. Well, look at that, it even comes with the flasher relay. Silhouette diffusers. Oh, I should have brought a knife for this. Alright, let me go get a knife. Alright, back with a knife. These are all the LEDs. Everything is labeled. This is the dullest knife in the world. Okay, those are diffuser pieces. Let's see what's in here. We got some foam tape, glue, everything you need. More diffusers. Sticker. You always gotta have a sticker. Then we have my invoice. I paid for these. I did not. This is not sponsored or anything like that. Paid for them. And then installation instructions. So I went with the Silhouette kit. which you'll see what that looks like after I get it together. He has a couple different options on kits and this different LED layouts. And I like the silhouette. It reminds me of the kit that I have in my red car. My 88 has the LED kit from Embrace Racing. And if I'd had a YouTube channel back when I put those together, you would have seen it, but I didn't, so this one we will do on video. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to read through these directions, and then we're going to start tearing into the tail lights. They're nice and warm now. I'm going to clean and polish the lenses again before I put them back in. I've already cleaned and polished these once, and these are tinted lightly on the inside. That's why they look so dark. And that's why I wanted to go with one of these kits, because the bulbs that I had in here were LED, but they just went into the stock housing. And they were brighter than the incandescent bulb, but they weren't that bright. And this being an 84 doesn't have a third brake light, so I feel like this will make it a little bit safer because it'll be a little brighter. But yeah, we'll go ahead and read the directions and get you on time lapse, and you can watch me. And then after that, we'll go install them in the car, and we will see what they look like. Okay, so I'm here at work. This is the kit out of the box. I gotta get the tail light over here, and I gotta get the lens off of it, so let's do that. Alright, so I got the lens off the tail light. We need to trim here and here. We need to recess a little bit so the top strip fits in. The light strips are going to go on this red diffuser on the inside here where it's already stepped. So these diffuser pieces here, that one's the other side, this one goes in here, kind of go in there like so. Those go in there like so to kind of dim the running lights part of this. So our next step is going to be measuring here and trimming these two pieces. The instructions say you want to leave a little bit of the tip here, but you want to cut a channel out so the LED bar will fit in there, and it needs to be 5/8 of an inch deep. And it's just for the top one you have to trim. So I'm going to get on doing that. Once we do that, we can mount these diffuser strips. Actually, maybe I'll mount the diffuser strips now, because then they can dry. Actually, that one goes there. Smooth side goes towards the tail light. So maybe I'll mount these and let them dry. I think this one over here gets attached to the actual LED. Let's figure out which one goes in here. I think it's this one. So yeah, we'll get those mounted, glued in place, get this trimmed, and then we can start mounting these LED strips. Those are for the left tail light, these are for the right. This is the right side or passenger side tail light we're working on, so these are the ones we're going to mount in there. So let's get to it. Alright, so it's back together. Let's test it out here and see if I can make it work with my little jump box. There's the brake lights. And there's the running lights. Looks pretty good. I'm going to do the other one, and then we'll put them back in the car and see what they look like on the car. Alright guys, got the taillights home. They're all set, ready to go. Just gotta install them on the car, and then we will see how they look. All right, they're installed and they work and they look freaking awesome. Really happy with how this looks. See, I got the LEDs on the side marker. LEDs at the front. Got to turn the front cornering lights there into LEDs, and everything on the car will be LED. There's the brake lights. And there's what it looks like. Turn signals, hazard lights. Nice and bright. Looks pretty awesome. I am totally happy with these. They turned out awesome. And here's how they look with the light off in the barn. I think they look pretty good. Alright guys, so that's that. Taillights are done on that car. Happy with them, they look great. Exactly what I was going for. So, Our next project on this car is I have a throttle body spacer for it that we have to put on, and I want to upgrade the front brakes. I'm looking at the LeBaron brake swap in the front that would switch it to a 11-inch rotor, I think, and you can get some Willwood dual piston calipers for it. So I think we're going to do that brake swap. I got to get the parts around for it, but I'll be the next couple videos on this car. We got to get back to working on the Indy Fiero that's all torn apart here. I want to get the rest of the body panels off and get the engine and trans out of it, and then larger sway bars on the 88 over there. But that's going to do it for this video. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you guys later.